Guys, time for upgrade. Again, I used to have MX Master 3, so it's kind of aged. I believe I used it for a year or something, so all good. But again, I had issues with physical buttons. It didn't register, so I did some fixes. You will see in the description if you're curious if you have similar problems. But overall, yeah, it's holding good. But again, we have another rival here, MX Master 3S. So physically, I believe it should be the same. But the main difference is use another dongle, so I will dive in this in a moment. So again, Master 3S use Logi Bolt 1. It's the new edition, and it's not backward compatible with previous unified dongle. So as you remember, maybe this orange, I have slim version, don't bother with that. So, and that it's not compatible, so means if I will stick into my Bolt, I cannot use my old mouse. So the same with all other accessories. So let me give you just example. I have a bunch of unified dongles out there. I have desktop, let's say number 3, personal laptop number 2, work laptop number 1, and such. So I can easily switch having the same dongle at this time, again, including keyboards and mouses. Again, it was one of consideration hooking up to Logitech, but looks like they changed the game again, adding up to this. I believe it also will be able to support up to 7 or something, kind of similar, but no compatibility. I would say, why don't add compatibility as the same here and do so. On the other side, we can leverage Bluetooth. I don't know what this even sticker about. Yeah, as you can see, they actually explain what we're talking about. We have a Logi Bolt here. And connectivity, or we can use Bluetooth. Again, we can every time kind of rely on Bluetooth if we want to, but I would say that's not something that, at least my previous experience with earlier version of Bluetooth, it's not way to some kind of laggy stuff and such. So it seems to be didn't change anything. Again, physically, I don't see any changes except again it's lighter. But the biggest difference, again, as I mentioned, it will be a struggle to have this new dongle out there connected. So again, I need to switch. Again, I need to really rethink the whole details, because it will be nasty to hold two dongles kind of have, let's say, mouse and keyboard connected. Again, that's not cool from Logitech perspective. Again, I would easily pay for, maybe they introduce like double of that to support Unified and Logi at the same time, but it's not the case. I understand the technology support faster. They have like 8000. Yeah, let's look up even some specs here. Yeah, these are 8000 PPP DPI here sensor versus 4K on the old one and such. That's all cool, but again, still inconvenient. So what else we have here? Again, the same pads here. Again, my old one removed when I fix it inside clicks. The biggest, I would say, is that appealing to me clicks. The old one, very clicky. This one, very dull and almost not physical, not herbal. After that, wheels similar, I feel. I don't see the difference there. They advertise it. It's standing on the side, pretty much the same again. Yeah, I would say. On the back, maybe coloring. I'm not talking about color changes. We have all vertical, horizontal scrolls and buttons. Super. So yeah, let's connect and see how it will perform. Okay, connected this. Again, compared to slim version, you can see how nasty looking and sticking out bold version is out there. And again, with no issues, it seems to be working well here. There is also Logi Bolt software there, so we can briefly maybe look up to this one. Give me a second. Okay, I got software. At this point we use, it's called, sorry, it's not screen screen recording, but again, still on the camera here. When we go, it's called a Logi Option Plus. So you can see we have active new guy, and I believe if we can turn on, yeah, here we go, we have another, like this is old one, this is new one, but again it's used, as you can see, they even additionally saying us, hey, this is unified receiver, this is Bolt, connected via Bolt receiver. So let's set up a pointer split extend sensor rest. Yeah, I guess, why not? Should we increase? Ooh, it's crazy fast. So I guess let's go back to 1000 or something it was. So I understand that advertisement basically speed or something. Okay. Will not extend. Let's use normal. Yeah, and we need to figure out. Most probably, again, you will need to fine tune this after. Scroll mode, I usually don't change this, it's up to you guys to do this. Horizontal scroll, again, we also can change behavior, but horizontal it's something I do. Also back button. In this point, again, especially in browser, I have seen that you can do this, but again, in my case, I will just go volume down. Sorry, not volume down, but custom shortcut, and in this case, page down. The same as you have on the keyboard, basically. Out there, so it's kind of my way to forward. Again, I will do page up. Again, just clicking page up on your easy switch. So again, take advantage of, again, as I described, if you have multiple devices, again, just clicking this, as you can see, clicking, you can switch to different sources. At this point, I connected just to number one. Gesture, again, virtual desktop. I every time kind of have hard time to assign any good button for this. Again, let me know in comments if you have better. What's your way of doing this? Usually I leave it as is and basically never using that click. And here we go. Again, all good stuff. Page up, page down in my case, and virtual desktop. Again, specific customization we can, but yeah, I personally don't do this just to have consistent experience and expectation. We all set. So here we go. So we got it. Again, the main issue, not the main issue, but again, is with settings, we can definitely look up that sensitivity, how far we can go with our DPI and speed of movement. But yeah. Saying this, guys, again, I want to go back one more time to the mouse itself. Again, very quiet, lighter. I want to say again, you have on and off switch here. By default, it will support Bluetooth and a Bolt receiver. Again, it's already designed, was trusted and verified with older, again, Master S, MX Master X out there. But other than that, it seems to be improvements from connectivity perspective. Take the consideration that you most probably need to invest in other devices similar Bolt, and most probably thinking of, if you're into kind of Logitech infrastructure setup, most probably switch up from unified receiver to basically a Bolt one. But again, that's definitely will be a struggle and additional hassle and expense. But yeah, guys, again, it was Logitech MX Master 3 mouse review. Again, thank you for watching. Please like, consider subscribe, and see you next one. Bye bye.